Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to unarchive a chat in WhatsApp using the latest version of the app. Whether it's a conversation you accidentally archived or one you want to bring back to your main chat list, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, scroll all the way to the top of your chat list. At the very top, you'll see an option that says Archived. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open all the chats you've previously archived. These conversations are hidden from your main chat list to help you stay organized, but you can easily access them here anytime. Now, find the chat you want to unarchive. Once you've found it, press and hold on that chat for a moment, just long enough for it to be selected. You'll notice a few icons appear at the top of your screen. Among these icons, you'll see one that looks like a box with an arrow pointing upward. That's the Unarchive button. Tap on it, and just like that, your chat will move back to your main chat list where it belongs. If you want to confirm, simply go back to your main screen and scroll through your chats. The conversation you just unarchived should now appear in its original place based on the most recent message. And that's it, you've successfully unarchived a chat in WhatsApp. It's a simple process, but it's one that's super useful for keeping your messages organized while still being able to access older conversations whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.